What's up, guys? This is Fred with Litespeed Construction. I am up here in, I guess you could say, the middle of Asheville. Had a customer call and leaking skylights. Come up here and take a look at them, and they're absolutely dated. They're quite old. Pitch on the roof is exactly a 312, which isn't desirable for a skylight. It'll work, but normally you would want something with a little more pitch. That way the water gets off the roof much quicker, because the longer it sits on that roof, the more of a chance that that water is going to get underneath that flashing or underneath the shingles. So I'll go ahead and show you what these skylights look like. They're standard Velux skylights right here. Let's see, there we go. That's a little bit better. You can see both of them right here. Roof's a bit dirty, needs to be blown off for sure. Got some sticks and debris and leaves and stuff up here, but I went ahead and checked it. All the step flashing is right here in place. I checked each one of these to make sure that there is step flashing. There it is right there. There's one underneath every single shingle, which is exactly what you want. Looks like somebody's done some patching around the top, because that's definitely where you're going to get water in. Water's going to, when it's during a real good downpour, water's going to pile up on here, back up underneath those shingles, and get underneath this main primary flashing right here, and that's when you end up with serious leaks. They've done both of these like that. You can see they've put some sealant here, all up through there. They've caulked the bottom of this skylight as well. If you look on the inside against that wood right there, you can tell it has definitely gotten water on it right there in that corner. That's probably why they have sealed that area. So we're going to go ahead and get them a price on replacing these skylights, mainly because they're just so old. I mean, if they were newer, we could try a couple different methods to keep them from leaking, but they're just so old. We're going to go ahead and give them a price on removing these shingles, repairing any damaged wood, and then putting down a whole new Velux system. That's the skylights, the flashing kits, ice and water, seal them down to the new wood, replace any wood that needs to be replaced, and that should take care of them for quite a long time. So, and it's a really cool sunroom too. It's looks like an addition they built on the house, for plants and just to go back and relax. So it's pretty nice. Anyways, we'll get them a price on that. So if you guys have any issues like this with any skylights, any tubular skylights, this is one of our major areas of expertise, is doing skylights. It's something I did before I came to work for Litespeed Construction. I did skylights for many years. So please give us a call. We'll come out, we'll do an assessment, inspect everything, make sure that everything's up to the way it should be. If not, we'll come up with a game plan and try to figure out what to do to get you fixed up. So anyways, yeah, give us a call at Litespeed Construction, and we'll come out and take care of you. Thanks. Bye.